Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm going to be doing my BEEBEECRAFT video here using the goat stencil on a t-shirt. This is for my mom. I used Stencil Ease Repositional Spray Adhesive. This is some stuff I've got ages ago. And I honestly can't even remember where I got it from. I've had it for so long. I will have to look it up, and if I can find out where I got it, I will post that in the description. Just shake it up, spray the back, and then set it down. And then I just use the silicone tool, because when I would try to do it with my fingers, it was trying to get some of the glue on my fingers, and it was making it a little difficult. So I just used the silicone tool to press down around the edges. So I'm going to try and figure out exactly where I want to, work around at. Probably start with some of the darker colors on some outer edges. And on the back of these fabric markers, it did say it might need, a second coat. So, do a layer. And if it, looks a little light for you, you can always go back over and do another coat. And these ones are Tulip Rainbow Fabric Markers. Won't snag, skip, or bleed. And these I did get from Joann's. These are going to be the main ones that I use for the coloring. And then the goat itself is going to be done in white. And it's a permanent spray fabric color. Quick dry, dry soft, even coverage, and it's washable. And it's a matte white. So I'm going to do everything on here that I want it done in the colors I want it, and the very last part will be done in the white. And I'll probably, speed this up and put on some music while I do this, because this is going to be a long process of me doing this. Just picking out colors and stuff. There's not going to be, much of anything. Probably not a lot of talking in this video. Just remember, this is a BEEBEECRAFT. This one is a sponsored video by BEEBEECRAFT. This stencil came from BEEBEECRAFT. It's a beautiful stencil. All the links for the BEEBEECRAFT will be in the description as always. I will have the links for the YouTube program in there. I will have the links for the stencil in there, as well as the their regular site link is going to be in the description. And then the rest of this will be fast forwarded. Oh, and that stuff stinks too. Markers work great. Don't like the spray at all. Oh, what a mess. All right, tape, let go of me. Get down in the trash can. Let's see if I can get this stuff peeled up. How much of a mess this stuff made. Come on, tape. All right, stencil's sticky, come off. Have to let this stuff dry for, I gotta read the instructions again because I don't remember how long you gotta let it dry for before you can wash it. But this I need to rinse off now. Try and get it off my stencil. So I'm gonna have to do that after I get the tape off.